Hi friends, have you ever had a pizza party? Well, Pete the cat had the perfect pizza party. Here's Pete the cat. Pete the cat loves pizza. Pete the cat loves pizza parties too. Pete had an idea of what he could do. He would have the perfect pizza party. And here's his invitations. Pete's friends all arrived. It was time to build the perfect pizza together. That they would make the pizza even better. Pete thought of the perfect pizza would be pepperoni with extra cheese. How many of you love pepperoni and extra cheese? It's a party, a pepperoni pizza party. But everyone did not agree. Callie said pepperoni would be fine, but I really like pretzels on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pretzels? Well, that's something new, but maybe pretzels could be groovy too. It's a party, it's a pepperoni pretzel pizza party. And they also went in the pool. Squirrel said pepperoni and pretzels would be just fine, but I really love pistachios on mine. Pistachios are a kind of nut. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Pistachios? Well, that's something new, but maybe pistachios could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pizza party. Look, they're grooving to music. Grumpy Toad said, pepperoni, pretzels, and pistachios would be just fine, but I really love pickles on mine. Pete and the gang thought, pickles. Well, that's something new, but maybe pickles could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle party. And they're playing a game of toss. Gus said pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, and pickles would be just fine, but I really love popcorn on mine. Pete and the gang were puzzled. Popcorn? Well, that's something new. Maybe popcorn could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, pizza party. Alligator said, pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, and popcorn would be just fine, but I really love papaya on mine. Papaya is a type of fruit. Now Pete and the gang were really puzzled. Papaya? That's something new. But maybe papaya could be groovy too. It's a party, a pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya, pizza party. Pete and the gang piled the pepperoni, pretzels, pistachios, pickles, popcorn, and papaya up on top. That's pretty full for a pizza. And the pizza was so high that they had to stop. Ding! The pizza was done. They tried something new that might be fun. They all built up courage to take the first bite, and the pepperoni, pretzel, pistachio, pickle, popcorn, papaya pizza was out of sight. Dynamite, just right. And in the end, the perfect pizza is a pizza shared with friends. And here's all kinds of things you could put on a pizza. What do you like on your pizza? Bye, friends.